Being able to say, I'm retiring is what everybody looks for 30 or 40 years of their career. But stay with me for a second because nobody warns us about this part of retirement. When my husband retired a few years ago, I expected him to miss the paycheck. But what I did not expect was how much he missed being told. No emails saying, hey, great job. No meetings, no one asking for an opinion. And then one day he looks at me and says, I don't think anybody notices me anymore. And before you brush this off, stay with me because the reason this hurts matters. I hang around a lot of retirees and this comes up constantly. They say things like, nobody needs me anymore. I miss feeling important. I didn't realize how much feedback actually matters. If this sounds familiar, you're going to want to stay to the end because I'll show you exactly how to replace this with going back to a job you hated. And real quick, if you're navigating retirement, we talk about the stuff nobody puts in the brochure. Here's what most people get wrong. Feedback isn't ego. Status isn't arrogance. Feedback tells your brain you're useful, you're contributing, you're doing something right. Status tells us you belong, you have a role, and you matter. Work gives you that automatically. Retirement, it shuts it off overnight. And in a minute, I'll explain why this hits high achievers and veterans especially hard. So don't go anywhere. With my husband, it showed up quietly. He started asking things like, was that okay? Do you think I did that right? And that stopped me in my tracks. This man who spent decades being respected in his business, and suddenly there was zero external feedback. If you noticed your confidence dip since stepping away from work, this is probably why. And listen, even retired brains still want a gold star sometimes. This hits especially hard if you were a leader, a problem solver, a veteran, or that go-to person. Because suddenly, no one needs your answers. Stay with me here, because this is where people get it wrong. They think, something's wrong with me. No, nothing is wrong with you. You just lost a feedback system that you relied on for decades. Here's the part I really want you to hear. You don't wait for validation in retirement, my friends. You build new feedback loops. So here's 3 ways you can do this. The first is the contribution feedback. Mentoring, volunteering, teaching. When someone says thank you, your brain lights up again. 2 is the skill feedback. Learn something new like tech, AI, writing, fitness, creative projects. Progress is feedback. And the 3rd one is community feedback. Being in rooms where people expect you, groups or classes, even communities. This is why I built the Rebel Den, because adults don't outgrow the need to be seen. And it's free and it's built for exact this reason. So here's the truth. You didn't just retire from a job. You retired from a system that told you you matter. And the good news? You get to build a new one. So drop a comment below and tell me, what kind of feedback do you miss the most? Or where could you get it now? And if this conversation felt like it was speaking directly to you, subscribe and stay with me. Because next up, we're talking about that sneaky health identity trap nobody warns retirees about. And trust me, your worth did not retire. Rebel Granny out.